In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize a content calendar in Notion using the built-in templates. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion workspace and you're on your home page. This is your main hub where you can see your existing pages and create new ones. From here, we're going to start by creating a new page specifically for your content calendar. On the left-hand side, look for the option that says Add New and click it. This opens a fresh page where you can either start from scratch or choose from Notion's templates. Instead of building everything manually, we'll use a template to save time and get a solid structure right away. In the new page, click on More Templates. This opens the full template gallery. Notion has a lot of options here, but for content planning, we're interested in the content-related database templates. Scroll until you find the content calendar template and click on it. This template is designed to help you plan, schedule, and track everything you publish. You might see some additional options or highlights in this gallery view. If you notice a social media planner section or highlight, click on that as well. This helps you explore related layouts that are optimized for planning posts by platform. After reviewing those, click back on Content Calendar to confirm that this is the structure you want to use. Once you're ready, click Continue. Notion will now create a new page using the Content Calendar template. You'll see a database with different views along the top. These views let you look at the same content in different ways, which is really powerful for planning. Click on By Platform to see how your content is organized by where it will be published. Then click on By Status to switch to a workflow-style view, where you can track whether a piece is in idea stage, in progress, or published. Next, select All Content to see everything in one master list. After that, choose the Calendar view to see your content placed on specific dates. You may see Calendar listed again, depending on how the template is set up, so click on Calendar once more if needed to ensure you're looking at your schedule by date. Then go back to All Content and revisit By Status to get comfortable switching between views. To refine things, click on Customize Content Calendar. Here, you can adjust properties like status labels, platforms, or any fields that don't fit your workflow. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Done to save those customizations. Finally, move through the views again. Click All Content, then By Status, then By Platform, and any remaining highlighted view. This quick pass helps you confirm everything is working the way you want, and your Notion content calendar is now ready for you to start adding and planning your content.